Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is in collaboration with Katt over at Sam and Katt. You guys can check out her channel, linked in the description box down below. We are doing a split the banana challenge today, so I'm going to be doing this quick banana bread mix because it's asking for us to just add banana, egg, and oil. Let's do it. All right, so you pour the mix in here. Next, we're going to whisk dry ingredients. Meanwhile, we're gonna turn the oven on to 350. And then I'll come back over here and whisk it like it said. All right, so I'm getting ready to split these bananas into a separate bowl, not in this one, but into a separate bowl along with the egg, along with the oil. All right, add in your 1 egg. All right, so you got your 1/3 cup. Go ahead and add in some of the vegetable oil. This is simple and plain. Just like that. All right, so now I'm gonna add the bread mix into the wet mix. So I'm gonna simply just take this out, and I'm just gonna use my spoon. I'm gonna add in just a little bit at a time. All right, so it's in the pan. I'm gonna get ready to bake it for 50 to 60 minutes and cool completely before removing. There's an optional recipe for a banana topping. I'm not doing that. So here we go. All right, the oven has beeped thousands of times. I'm finally up and I'm ready to take my bread. Oh, ready to take my bread out the oven. This looks so good. All right, so here it is. Turn my oven off. All right, y'all, for a moment of truth, I'm gonna try it real quick. Okay. It's good. Y'all go check out that playlist down in the description box down below. I need another piece.